Welcome everyone to our journey through the fascinating world of medicinal plants. We're about to unlock nature's medicine cabinet and discover the incredible healing power of plants. For centuries, long before modern medicine, people have relied on these natural remedies to treat various ailments and promote overall health. And let me tell you, the wisdom they hold is remarkable. Join me as we explore some well-known medicinal plants and their incredible benefits. Let's unlock the potential of nature's pharmacy together. Let's start with a plant that many of you probably have in your homes, aloe vera. This spiky green friend isn't just pleasing to look at, it's a powerhouse of healing properties. You've probably seen aloe vera gel used for sunburns, but its benefits go far beyond that. Aloe vera is a natural anti-inflammatory, which means it can help soothe burns, cuts, and other skin irritations. It's also incredibly hydrating, making it a fantastic moisturizer for your skin and hair. But that's not all. Aloe vera juice is a popular digestive aid, helping to soothe the stomach and promote regularity. And here's a bonus. It's packed with antioxidants, those powerful little compounds that fight off cell damage. Now let's talk about a spice that's been making headlines for its incredible health benefits, turmeric. This bright yellow spice, a staple in Indian cuisine, is a potent anti-inflammatory. That means it can help reduce inflammation throughout the body, which is linked to numerous chronic diseases. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, is a powerful antioxidant too, helping to protect your cells from damage. But there's more. Studies show that turmeric can help relieve pain, making it a natural alternative for those suffering from arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. And if you're looking to boost your immune system, turmeric can lend a helping hand. Next up is a root that's both delicious and incredibly beneficial, ginger. You know that soothing feeling you get from ginger ale when you have an upset stomach? That's ginger working its magic. Ginger is a natural digestive aid, helping to relieve nausea, bloating, and indigestion. It's also a powerful anti-inflammatory, which, as we know, is beneficial for a whole host of health concerns. Feeling a cold coming on? Ginger can help. It's known to soothe sore throats, reduce congestion, and even shorten the duration of colds and flu. And if you struggle with poor circulation, ginger can help improve blood flow. Chapter 4. Garlic, the Pungent Protector. Garlic, with its pungent aroma, is a staple in kitchens worldwide. But did you know it's also been used medicinally for centuries? This powerful bulb has potent antibacterial and antiviral properties, making it a natural infection fighter. Studies show that garlic can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, promoting a healthy heart. It's also a natural detoxifier, helping to rid the body of harmful toxins. And like many of the plants we've discussed, garlic also gives your immune system a boost. Chapter 5. Neem, the Ayurvedic Wonder. Let's travel to India for a moment to explore neem, a tree revered in Ayurveda for its medicinal properties. Neem has been used for centuries as a natural antiseptic, helping to cleanse wounds and prevent infection. It's also believed to purify the blood, promoting healthy skin and a strong immune system. Neem is known for its dental benefits too, helping to fight gum disease and freshen breath. And in some parts of the world, neem is used to prevent malaria. Chapter 6. Tulsi, the Queen of Herbs. Tulsi, also known as holy basil, is considered sacred in India and holds a prominent place in Ayurvedic medicine. This aromatic herb is a natural adaptogen, meaning it helps the body cope with stress. Feeling overwhelmed? Tulsi can help calm your nerves and promote a sense of well-being. Tulsi is also beneficial for respiratory health, helping to relieve coughs, colds, and even asthma symptoms. It's a potent antioxidant and has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a valuable herb for those with diabetes. Let's explore another powerful adaptogen, ashwagandha. This ancient herb has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine to relieve stress, improve sleep, and boost energy levels. Feeling anxious or overwhelmed? Ashwagandha can help calm your mind and promote relaxation. Need an energy boost? Ashwagandha can help combat fatigue and enhance your stamina, but it doesn't stop there. Ashwagandha is believed to balance hormones, boost muscle growth, and even improve cognitive function. Peppermint, with its refreshing flavor, is a popular choice for teas, candies, and even toothpaste. But this versatile herb is much more than just a breath freshener. Peppermint is a natural digestive aid helping to soothe indigestion, bloating, and irritable bowel syndrome. Suffering from a headache? Peppermint oil applied topically can help relieve tension and ease pain. It's also beneficial for respiratory health, helping to clear congestion and soothe sore throats. And here's a bonus. Peppermint has antimicrobial properties, making it a natural germ fighter. Echinacea is a popular herb, especially during cold and flu season, and for good reason. This powerful immune booster can help your body fight off infections and reduce the severity of cold and flu symptoms. Feeling a cold coming on? Reach for Echinacea. It can help shorten the duration of your cold and reduce those pesky symptoms. Echinacea is also a natural anti-inflammatory, helping to reduce inflammation throughout the body. And some studies suggest that it may even promote wound healing. Chapter 10, Fenugreek, the seed of many benefits. Fenugreek, with its slightly bitter taste, is a common ingredient in Indian cuisine, but this versatile herb has a wide range of health benefits that extend far beyond the kitchen. Fenugreek is a popular galactagogue, meaning it can help increase breast milk production in new mothers. It's also been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a valuable herb for those with diabetes. Fenugreek is a natural digestive aid, helping to relieve constipation and promote gut health, and some people even use it to promote hair growth. Chapter 11, Chamomile, the Gentle Soother. Chamomile, with its delicate flowers and soothing aroma, is best known for its calming properties. Having trouble sleeping? Chamomile tea is a popular bedtime ritual, helping to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. It's also a gentle digestive aid, helping to soothe upset stomachs, reduce gas, and relieve indigestion. And if you have sensitive skin, chamomile can be your new best friend. It's naturally calming and soothing, making it ideal for irritated or inflamed skin. Chapter 12, Ginseng, the Energy and Focus Enhancer. Let's wrap up our journey with ginseng, an herb that's been used for centuries in traditional Chinese medicine to boost energy levels, enhance cognitive function, and support overall well-being. Feeling sluggish? Ginseng can help combat fatigue and improve mental clarity. Need to focus? Ginseng is known to enhance memory, concentration, and cognitive performance. It's also a powerful immune booster, helping to strengthen your body's natural defenses. And some studies suggest that ginseng can even boost libido. Wow, what an incredible journey through the world of medicinal plants. We've only scratched the surface of what nature's pharmacy has to offer. Incorporating these medicinal plants into your daily life, whether through teas, spices, supplements, or topical applications, can enhance your overall well-being naturally. Remember, while these plants offer incredible benefits, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new herbal regimen, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or taking medication. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the healing power of medicinal plants.